Hello friends. In this class, we are going to talk about the theoretical definition of a procedure. Welcome again, and the next part here is the procedure. So we are doing this procedure, and let's look at the. We have used this term procedure as many times, but this is the formal way of defining it. So the procedure definition is the declaration that is in its simplest form associate an identifier. Okay, it associate an identifier with a statement. Okay, so identifier, we know name of a, we have used name of variable, that is the smallest, or let's say simplest definition. Name of variable is identifier, but here we are associating a variable with this address and value. But here the association is with the statement, a statement, and there is a series of statement. Okay, when a procedure name appears within an executable statement, we say the procedure is called at that particular time. So that is nothing new, that you know this concept, that if there is a main function and if I say f1, so at this point of the time we say procedure is called. Okay, so this is a, let's say, procedure is called, so nothing new. Fine. Some of the identifier appears within a procedure definition are special and called the formal parameter. Okay, now here some of the identifier appear in procedure definition and it is called formal parameter. Okay, so like I have taken this example, and if I say that intf, okay, let me just say intf. Okay, so this is intf, and if I say int comma intb, so we call this one as formal parameter. Okay, formal parameter. Okay, so this is called this formal parameter, and the next one is your this just a formal parameter. C call it as a formal, and photon call it as a dummy argument. Okay, so that is the different names. Uh, okay, arguments known as actual parameter may be passed to a procedure. Okay, they when they are submitted for the formals in its body. So when I declare a procedure, it may be like here in this case is this is the formal parameter, but here when I pass actual, like here if I use the same function and if I say 10 and 20, and so that they 10 and 20 is my actual parameter. Okay, so here I have taken this function over here. This is the name of the function, that int fib and then int n, and equal to 0 and equal to 1, then return 1, and then it is a recursive function fib n minus 1 and minus 2. Okay, so this is a fib, the name of the variable. Okay, this is the, we can say it as a formal parameter. We have not used the main function, but there can be a main function and where I can invoke this fib with different values. So if I write main and if I say fib, let's say 4, okay, it will return an integer. So let's say int a fib equal to 4. So this is my actual argument. Okay, this is your actual argument. Okay, so this is something about procedure, technical terms, identifier. So this fib is an identifier. The only thing you remember, that this fib is an identifier. Okay, this is also an identifier, not only the name of a variable, identifier. Okay, so I think that's all for this discussion. Thank you.